How to change location on iPhone. So let's get started. First of all, open the App Store on your mobile device. Inside App Store, tap on the profile picture at the top right corner of your screen and navigate to your account settings. There, tap on your name at the top, and there you can see country/region option available. Simply tap on the country/region. Then you'll get to see change country region option available on your screen. It might take few seconds to load. Then simply tap on it. After that, you will get to see a long list of countries option available. Select your new country. You can choose any, example United Kingdom, USA, China, Japan, any according to your preferences, and tap on it. Then agree to the terms and conditions they provide by simply tapping on the agree in the top right corner. Now enter a valid payment method, or you can simply tap on the none if you don't have any payment method. And after that, enter your personal information and tap done to save changes. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.